How to fix Face ID not available on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone removes temporary glitches from your iPhone. Check Face ID again and see if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Further, go ahead and update the latest version of iOS, as sometimes software bugs cause Face ID errors. The next fix for this issue is check the true depth camera area, as Face ID uses sensors at the top of your screen, so make sure no dirt or smudges, no cracked screen near the notch, and your case or screen protector is not blocking it. You can clean your true depth camera area with a gentle cloth. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Further, tap on the reset Face ID option and then go ahead and set up your Face ID again. And if the setup fails, go ahead and in settings again tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Further, tap on Reset and then go ahead and choose the Reset All Settings option. Enter your passcode and reset all your settings. See if that helps, and if not, then it could be hardware issues. So if your phone was dropped, or it had water damage, or the screen was replaced by a non-Apple repair shop, then your Face ID may stop working, so you might need to take your iPhone to a certified Apple repair store. And if not, you can also contact Apple support and further report your query. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Face ID not available on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.